Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a survey form using Beehiiv. So let's get started. So here we are, and first things first, go into beehiiv.com and log into your account, and from here you want to click here on audience. So click audience and click on surveys right here. And from here you can see all of the surveys that you have. If you don't have one, then you can click here on create survey. And from here you just need to add some metadata about your survey. So let's say title, sample survey right here, and the description, maybe whatever you want right here. So you can use this to set a helpful description or to provide a prompt to fill out the survey for your subscribers and so on. And the thank you message. So let's say this is an unsubscribed survey that we will be using. So let's say the thank you message that they will get is sorry to see you go. Maybe something like that, and click on update survey. And then the next thing is we will now be prompted right here in responses. So here in the responses, you can see the responses that you get from the survey, and the form builder is where you would add the first question right here. And let's say the title would be what is your name? So the question type is, I want it to be a short response because they would be typing out their name and the custom field values if you want one and so on. So let's just click on add question, and we can just create a new one right here, and we're just gonna go for text, and let's say text. All right, there, create custom field value, and now we have text, and when we click on add question, it should look like this one right here as shown. So what is your name? And then they can provide their name right here by typing it, and then you can add more questions. So let's say what is your age? If you want it to be multiple choice right here, you can also do that. And then from here you can create a new one, and you can go for a list one, create custom field right here, and name this, let's say list right there. And now there it is. So from here you can go and do it like this. So look and create add question, and now the list should look like this. And from here you can add an option, so you can go for maybe 18 to 20, and you can go for another option, you can go for 25 to 30, and so on right here. So this is basically the gist on how you can do this with the questions. So depending on what you want, you can go for drop down, and you would have to create another custom field value, and also the long response you can just go for text again, and so on right here. So that is basically how you do it. And then once you're done with this survey right here, you can now just click on preview if you want to preview how your survey would look like. So it would look like this one right here, and you can publish once you are done right there. And then the next thing is, since we are done with this, let's click on publish and publish there. And now the next thing is we're going to copy the link for this survey right here. You're going to click on copy URL because we are going to be incorporating this into our newsletter. So to do that, you need to go into your dashboard, and let's go for our newsletter. You just go for the post, and let's say we have our newsletter right here, and we're just going to edit this. So from here, we can actually add a button right here. So we can embed this to a button. So let's say button right there. So from here, we can go for subscribe button. Let's say this is subscribe, but as we have mentioned earlier, this is an unsubscribe button. So let's go for unsubscribe. And from here, in order for us to link that survey, is we're gonna click here on edit link, and then we're just simply gonna paste it right here and hit enter. And then just like that, when they click on this button, they would be prompted into our survey. So to test that out, let's go and preview this, and then we can go for the letter, this button right here. And then as you can see, this form is for subscribers only, so you would need to be subscribed for the survey. But if you're subscribed, then you should be seeing the letter. But the point here is that it is redirected to the survey that we have created. So that is basically how you do it. So that is all for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.